If your iPhone timer or alarm is not going off or making any sound, here's how to fix it step by step. First, check the volume and silent switch. Make sure your ringer volume is up and also check the silent switch on the side of your iPhone. And if it's orange, it's muted. Next, verify the alarm sound. And for that, open the clock app and go into the alarm section. Then tap on the alarm you want to edit and then tap on sound. Here, make sure a tone is selected, and if it says none, the alarm won't make noise. Next, disable attention aware features. And for that, go to your settings app and scroll down. Then tap on Face ID and passcode and enter your passcode to continue. Then turn off attention aware features if it's on. Sometimes the iPhone lowers sound if it thinks you're looking at the screen. After that, restart your iPhone. A simple restart can help if the clock app is glitching. And also make sure you're running the latest version of iOS. And if you're using any third-party alarm apps, check their permissions. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.